I like the build up. I like nailed it. I
Yeah,
love
for
that.
sure. You're so good, dude. Okay, Matt, you start this one.
Oh, I do?
Yeah.
You want to do
can I play guitar yet?
Yeah.
Here, you stand up and sing.
Oh, yeah.
No problem.
Right.
Okay, this one's gonna be simple.
Hi,
There's a
I don't
cable on
get
the
it.
chair, by the way.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, there is. Sorry.
I need it for a third fret. This is one of the songs I've made that I always wanted to play with other people. It's a song that I'm gonna improvise whenever I play it.
Right. I'm not gonna be good. Oopsie.
It's okay, go for
It's
it.
okay, I can't.
Check. Okay.
I know, but other singers can follow it.
Me too.
I don't know. I feel like I need a word.
Bird.
Bird. Oh, we changed. Sorry.
Now it's better.
Alright, so. Do another rotation so I get it. And it goes to. Did not change.
Jesus in a second.
Alright, every two kind of rotations. There. Got it. We got it, guys.
Behind the moon, they often come with attitude. They're made of plastic. When you charge behind the moon, made of plastic. Plastic fish, plastic trees, plastic fish, plastic fish, plastic fish, birds, plastic fish, plastic fish, plastic fish, plastic fish, plastic fish, plastic, plastic fish. So bright. Plastic fish, plastic fish, plastic fish, plastic fish. Plastic bird, plastic fish, plastic fish, plastic fish, always watching, plastic fish, 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 plastic. I love that one. That one was kind of sick.
That was like chill.
Funny.
I like that one a lot, actually.
That one makes me chuckle.
You're much better at this than I am.
You're pretty good.
You're pretty good. You tried.
I'm not good at the singing part. I'm
No.
good at like